In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime not showing in iPhone settings. We all know how frustrating it can be when a feature as essential as FaceTime seems to disappear, so we're going to walk through several steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, let's ensure that FaceTime is actually accessible in your region. It's important to note that FaceTime isn't available in every country or with all carriers. So before we delve deeper, you might want to verify that your region supports FaceTime, as this could be an overriding factor. Now, if you've confirmed that FaceTime should be available, let's move on to checking your screen time settings. Start by heading to the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, navigate to Screen Time, then go into Content and Privacy Restrictions. Once you're there, find Allowed Apps. You should see a list where you can ensure that FaceTime is enabled. Sometimes these restrictions can accidentally disable FaceTime, especially if you're not the only one using your phone. Next, we want to make sure your software is up to date. Software updates can often resolve bugs and bring new features, so head back into Settings, scroll down to General, and tap on Software Update. If there's a new iOS version available, download and install it. This could be an easy fix. Another quick tip is to utilize the search bar at the top of the Settings app. Simply type in FaceTime and see if it comes up. Sometimes it might just be hidden, and this search function can quickly solve that mystery. It's also essential to verify that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, and ensure you're logged into iCloud. FaceTime accesses your Apple ID, so being logged out might cause it not to appear. If you've tried everything but FaceTime is still missing, resetting all settings can be a last resort. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Pick Reset followed by Reset all settings. Do remember that this won't delete any of your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper to their defaults. Finally, if nothing else works, it might be time to reach out to Apple support. Sometimes the issue might be a bit more complex and may need professional assistance to resolve. Apple support can guide you through any system-specific problems that might be causing FaceTime to vanish from your settings. With these steps, you should have a robust toolkit to get FaceTime back on your iPhone. Remember, technology can sometimes be tricky, but by following this guide, you can troubleshoot effectively and enjoy hassle-free video calling once again. Good luck, and thanks for watching.